Welcome to this lesson on telling time. Today we will learn how to say quarter to when telling time in English. Quarter to means 15 minutes before the hour. Let's explore this together. When we say quarter to, we are talking about a specific time. For example, 3:45 is the same as quarter to 4. Similarly, 7:45 is quarter to 8. The key idea is that when the minute hand points to the 9 on the clock, we say quarter to the next hour. Here is the pattern to remember. When the minute hand points to 9, we always say quarter to the next hour. So 2:45 becomes quarter to 3, 5:45 becomes quarter to 6, and 9:45 becomes quarter to 10. This pattern works for every hour of the day. Every time can be said in two different ways. The first way is the digital way, where we read the numbers as they appear, like 3:45. The second way is how we speak in everyday conversation, like quarter to 4. Both ways describe exactly the same moment in time, just using different words. Now it's your turn to practice. Look at these 3 times and try to say them using quarter to. The first time is 1:45. Can you say this time? The second time is 6:45. Try saying this one. The third time is 11:45. Say this time as well. Listen to the audio for the correct answers.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.